So let's take a look at Raptoreum. Is it still profitable? Can we still make some passive income? This is not financial or investment advice, of course. This is not what I do in this channel. We are simply going to evaluate Raptoreum crypto mining on a low-end CPU. Now let's get started. I'm going to hop on Raptoreum.com and download what we need to get started. So we're going to downloads. The first thing we need to get is a wallet. I'm using Windows 10, so I'm going to download the executable file for Windows. As you can see, you have other options for Mac and Ubuntu Linux. Okay, download is complete. Click next, next, install, next, finish. Okay, now our wallet should be installed. I'm going to go ahead and open it. If you get this Windows firewall message, check private networks and then check public networks and allow access. If you look at the bottom, you will see your wallet syncing with the blockchain. This process took me about 2 days. It is better to wait for this process to finish, but for the sake of making this video, I am going to go ahead and move on to mining. To do that, we first need to get a wallet address, which we can do by going to receive. Give our wallet a name, click on request payment, and a wallet will be created right here. Alright, the next step is to download CPU mining software. I'm going to scroll down and look for a CPU miner for Windows. As of the time of making this video, this is the latest version. Click and download. If Windows blocks the file, you will need to turn off web browser protection temporarily to allow the file to download. Once the file is downloaded, you can go ahead and enable the protection again. The file will be zipped and you will need some type of unzipping software such as WinRAR to unzip it. The standard Windows unzip function will not do the work. Now I can go ahead and extract the file and move it to the desktop. You can save yours wherever you like. Next I am going to open the folder, right click on config and edit. I'm going to move this to the side and leave it open. Then I need to go back to Raptoreum.com, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Raptoreum pools. Select Raptoreum in the list of algorithms. Then I'm going to select flockpools.com from the list of the pools and click on start mining. Right here we have 4 different regions. You can pick the region that is closest to you. I'm in the US, so I'm going to pick US Eastern region. The next 3 items that we need to complete are the wallet address, worker name, and password. As soon as you enter the information needed, your script will update accordingly. All you have to do is copy and paste the configuration from here to the configuration file. Now that we copied everything, we can save it and go back to CPU Miner folder, right click on CPU Miner batch file, and run it as administrator. If you run into this problem, all you have to do is restart the computer. You will be required to shut down Raptoreum core. This may take a few minutes, so just be patient with it. Once the computer is restarted, we can go ahead and right click again on CPU Miner and run it as administrator. If everything is configured properly, you will see huge pages set up successfully and MSR set up successfully. Both of them should show on green. Then the CPU tuning process will start. Make sure Raptoreum core is running to continue the syncing process. The tuning process takes about 150 minutes, so make sure you have something else to do while waiting. To check your earnings, all you have to do is go to flockpool.com and paste your wallet address and you should be able to see your earnings. So 0.0012 is my earning for approximately 1 hour. So is Raptoreum still worth mining? I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure the syncing process in the background is tying up a lot of CPU resources in my case, and obviously my CPU is not a high-end CPU, but I'm going to let it run for a week and I will update you on my earnings. So stay tuned for the verdict next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.